So what other skills do we need as a more mid-level accountant? Well, there's definitely a lot of demand for accountants who have very strong analytical thinking, someone who can really see beyond the numbers they're looking at, someone who has the confidence to question and challenge people. And again, bring the numbers to life with the non-finance people. It's really about being that confidence, that confident finance professional who can really challenge, tell a story, and can really have a quite a flexible approach to how they work and how they make different people understand the major issues that the organization needs to address. If we look at the tech side, which let's face it is such a big factor to all our working ways these days. Obviously, finance professionals that are across AI is very much in demand, and the demand will only get greater. Again, how can you do more with less? How you go about understanding and utilize big data is very, very important. A number of years ago, I did a presentation and it was a while ago because Tableau was really big at the time. And someone in the audience put their hand up and said, well, where can I buy this big data from? Now, obviously, you can't go and buy it. It's on your databases. But again, the ability to use that and get the best results from it is really important to organizations. ERPs, we go and see many companies, and one of the big frustrations and pain points is their ERP isn't working well enough, or that their ERP is 20 years old, and they can't quite face spending all the amount of thousands of dollars on getting a new one in. BI tools, obviously BI tools have been around for a long time, but obviously they've come down a lot in price. And so, you need to be BI efficient for all roles, really, to be across the sort of dashboards and information you can report as finance professionals. And the big thing is just keep on learning technology. It's such a big part of our roles. You can't be afraid of it. You really need to embrace it, learn it, and grow with it. Now, one of the big things coming up, of course, for finance people, which will be a skill that's in demand, is ESG. Now, I won't profess to be an ESG expert. However, I do know it stands for environmental, social, and governance. And I do know that it's already here. So if you are, working for a large corporate, from the 1st of January this year, you need to start your ESG reporting. For mid-sized companies, it's relevant from 1st of July 2026. And from smaller companies with revenues of $50 million or more, it's relevant from the 1st of July 2027. So if you want to avoid paying large consultancy fees to those big firms, there's 4 of them, then I suggest you get across this now, because it's here to stay, and it will be a challenge for the future. If you wish to find out any further information, please go to our website or get in touch with one of our consultants after you've watched this. We'd love to help you out, and we look forward to hearing from you.